Okay, this video is going to teach you how to make a line plot, which is the last type of graph or chart that we're going to learn how to make. So I looked on page 567 and I went to the very bottom where it has teacher directions. That's what you guys are going to need to read to fill out your line plot. So it says Chase asked 10 students how many servings of fruits and vegetables they eat each day. 3 people eat 2 servings. So I made a little tally chart to help me. And I put servings, I put the number 2, and it said 3 people. So I made 3 tally marks. And then it says, draw 3 X's over the number 2. So I'm going to go to my line plot. This is a line plot. I'm going to go to my 2. It said 3 people ate 2 servings. So I'm going to put 3 X's. 1, 2, 3. Then they have to go up in a straight line so they don't get in the way of the other numbers. And then it says 6 people eat 5 servings. So I put 6 tally marks next to my 5. And now it says draw 6 X's over the number 5. So I'm going to go over to my 5 on my line plot, draw 6 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And finally it says 1 person eats 7 servings. So I made 1 tally mark next to the 7, and then it says draw 1 X over the number 7. Okay, so that's how you make a line plot. You match your number, and if it's a survey like this, you put the tally mark, you put that many number of X's on top of your line plot.